Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and this is your very first time here. Please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, y'all, and we're gonna be right back.
Baby, the sound of you better than honey, yeah. I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you in every kind of way.
And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, cruise. Oh no, baby, talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Did I make a mistake? And I can't concentrate while you standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby.
So today's unit was sent to me by Sensational, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It is from their Dashley collection. It's the Curtain Bangs Lace Unit 28 in the color 1. It's a lace front wig. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has a deep centered part with baby hairs. HD lace, keep them guessing. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. And it's virtually undetectable HD lace, an essential addition to your wig stash, made with heat resistant fibers, available in fashion forward colors. Dress it up, dress it down. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So I had to re-record this video. If you watched my last Sensational video today that aired earlier, I had to re-record, y'all. Like, I don't know, I was on a struggle bus that particular day. You know, as a YouTuber, I have to set up the cameras, equipment, my seating area. Like, it was a lot for me, and I don't know, I just wasn't on my A game, and I was like, I have to re-record this because it looks a hot mess. So I do have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. All I did was that I cut the lace in the original part of it. I went in along the hairline with my foundation, or with a brush and like my contour stick, but I didn't like the way that looked, so I did pull my edges out. I pulled my edges out, you guys. I darkened up the lace, and then I did glue just right here. For some reason it just wasn't melting, so I went in with a little bit of glue, like literally right here off camera, and then I went in with my foundation and a brush in the middle, and that was it, y'all. This unit was an easy slay, but I was slacking. As far as texture, it's not silky, but it's not necessarily yucky. It's 100% premium fibers, and well, I'm not gonna lie, it does have a yucky texture to it. It does. But I will say that this unit does have potential to tangle. This is only my second time wearing it for what, about 20 minutes, and because of the length, it will tangle. But there are like synthetic hair care products out there, and I do have it linked in my description box below. So, you know, synthetic sprays and stuff you can use to take care of your wigs. And yeah, I haven't experienced any shedding, minimal shedding. This unit does range between $25 to $3, so just keep that in mind. The link is in the description box below. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm loving the face frame. I'm loving the curls. It's definitely giving like sexy, elegant. Like, you can dress this wig up, down, you know, you can wear it to work. You know, if you go to a PTA meeting and you want to be the hot mom there, you can wear it to dinner with your man or your woman, and you can wear it to brunch with the girls, you know. So yeah, or even a family dinner, like somebody's graduation, birthday. Like, this unit is very, very versatile, and I'm loving it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It does have a nice amount of density as well. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.